Robert Kiyosaki is a well-known author, businessman, and financial educator who has significantly influenced the way in which people think about money and their personal finances. Kiyosaki has provided a variety of seminars and presentations, as well as best-selling Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and his own unique thoughts and opinions on the subject of achieving success in one's financial endeavors, amassing money, and the significance of receiving adequate financial education. In this video, we will go into Robert Kiyosaki's perspectives on money and personal finance, analyzing the fundamental principles and ideas that he advocates for. The significance of acquiring a good financial education. Robert Kiyosaki has a number of core views, one of which is that the existing educational system does not effectively prepare individuals for achieving success in the financial realm. He contends that the majority of people are educated to become workers who work for a wage rather than to be financially smart and generate wealth. He says this is because people are taught to become employees. According to Kiyosaki, a fundamental reason that many people struggle with money throughout their lives is that they lacked enough financial education when they were younger. The solution that Kiyosaki proposes is to encourage people to actively pursue financial education for themselves. He is of the opinion that an understanding of financial concepts such as assets, obligations, cash flow, and investment is necessary in order to make educated decisions regarding one's finances. Individuals are able to take charge of their own financial future and strive toward achieving financial independence if they educate themselves about finances and become financially literate. What makes assets and liabilities so different from one another? The distinction between assets and liabilities is perhaps the idea that has brought Robert Kiyosaki the most notoriety. He is of the opinion that this fundamental comprehension is necessary for achieving monetary achievement. According to Kiyosaki, an asset is something that increases the amount of money in your wallet, but a liability decreases the amount of money in your pocket. An investment property that brings in money through rent is one example of a practical asset. Other examples include a stock portfolio that yields dividends and a profitable business. On the other hand, liabilities often consist of expenses such as monthly mortgage payments, vehicle loan payments, and credit card debt. To reach a point where one is financially independent, Kiyosaki places a strong emphasis on limiting one's responsibilities while accumulating as many assets as possible. Developing sources of passive income. Robert Kiyosaki is an advocate for the construction of passive income streams as a means of obtaining financial independence.
And morals.
Passive revenue streams do not require active management. Earning money with little to no ongoing work is what is known as passive income. This objective is attainable through the purchase of investments such as real estate, stocks, or bonds, or by the ownership of a firm that does not demand your continuous presence. Kiyosaki places a strong emphasis on the concept of working to accumulate assets that generate passive income, which, over time, can eventually cover your basic costs of life. By taking advantage of this strategy, you will be able to break free from the cycle of trading your time for money that is inherent in conventional employment and instead achieve financial freedom and independence. The mindset needed for entrepreneurship. Kiyosaki is known for encouraging people to develop an entrepreneurial mindset, regardless of whether or not they are currently self-employed. He maintains that thinking like an entrepreneur requires accepting failure as a learning opportunity, taking calculated risks, and remaining open to new ideas and opportunities. According to Kiyosaki, one of the most important aspects of becoming wealthy is having the capacity to recognize and capitalize on profitable business possibilities. Even people who have steady employment should think about starting a side business or making an investment that has the potential to increase in value over time and contribute to financial success, according to his advice. The contribution of taxes to the accumulation of wealth. In addition, Kiyosaki places a large focus on comprehending the tax code and the role that it plays in the process of accumulating wealth. He contends that those who have a basic understanding of personal finance are in a better position to legally decrease their tax liability by taking advantage of tax credits and deductions. Because of this, there will be more money available for investments and creating wealth. Encouraging individuals to invest in assets that bring tax benefits, such as real estate or starting a business, is one of Kiyosaki's tactics. Another one of his ideas is to inspire individuals to become entrepreneurs. Individuals can legally minimize the amount of their taxable income and keep more of their own money if they follow these steps. Comparison of specialization to diversification. Kiyosaki provides an alternative point of view on the concept of diversification within the realm of personal finance. Kiyosaki contends that specialization and expertise are essential, in contrast to the conventional wisdom that advises investors to spread their money over a variety of asset classes when making investments. He is of the opinion that cultivating expertise in a specific field, such as commercial real estate, the stock market, or entrepreneurial endeavors, can result in improved financial outcomes. Kiyosaki advises individuals to concentrate on developing deep knowledge and experience in a particular field rather than spreading themselves too thin with different investing techniques. This is because Kiyosaki believes that this is the best way to achieve financial success. The dread of falling short. When it comes to taking chances with their finances, Kiyosaki understands that many people have anxiety over the possibility of failing. On the other hand, he contends that in order to achieve monetary success, it is necessary to accept failure as a necessary and instructive step along the way. He is of the opinion that people who worry about failing are less likely to take the chances that are required for economic development. The counsel that Robert Kiyosaki gives is to look at failures and mistakes as opportunities for personal development and advancement. He encourages people to get over their fear of failing and to build up their resilience so that they can handle the problems that they confront financially. The race to the bottom and the pursuit of financial freedom. In Robert Kiyosaki's perspective, the race to the bottom refers to the common situation where people find themselves constantly working to cover their debts and basic living expenses, leaving them with little money or time to build wealth. To break free from this cycle, Kiyosaki suggests a few key steps. Financial education. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of acquiring a strong financial education. This means understanding the basics of money management, investment, and financial strategies. With proper knowledge, individuals can make informed financial decisions. Smart investments. Kiyosaki advocates making wise investments. Rather than just saving money, he believes that investing in assets that generate income, such as stocks, real estate, or businesses, is crucial for financial growth. Multiple streams of passive income. Kiyosaki promotes the idea of establishing multiple sources of passive income. Passive income is money earned without active daily involvement. Examples include rental income from real estate, dividends from stocks, or royalties from intellectual property. By having several streams of passive income, you become less reliant on traditional employment. For Kiyosaki, achieving financial freedom means having enough passive income to cover your living expenses. This financial independence allows you to have the freedom to allocate your time and energy as you see fit, pursuing your interests and passions. It stands in stark contrast to the situation where individuals are perpetually working for a salary just to maintain their standard of living. Essentially, Kiyosaki's approach centers on financial education, wise investments, and diversifying income sources as a means to escape the cycle of financial struggle and attain the freedom to lead a life aligned with your goals and interests. Robert Kiyosaki's ideas on money and personal finance have questioned the accepted wisdom of society and motivated millions of people to reevaluate their strategies for achieving economic success. He believes that obtaining a financial education, accumulating assets, developing a passive income stream, and maintaining an entrepreneurial mindset are essential components of reaching the goal of gaining financial independence. Kiyosaki's ideas have surely spurred critical talks regarding the significance of education and mindset in reaching financial goals. Even while they may not resonate with everyone, it is undeniable that they have done so. His influence on the world of personal finance cannot be questioned, and his teachings continue to shape the financial decisions of many individuals all over the world. Whether or not you agree with his philosophy, it is impossible to deny his influence on the world of personal finance. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.